Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you a tour of this wooden apartment here in the village. If you all don't know, I live in a village that is about 10 hours to Paris. Yes guys, you might be wondering why I moved to this local and rural area. First, I was living in Paris for about 4 years, and at that time I was going through a lot, like some personal stuff, and I just needed to relocate with my girls. If you don't know, I'm a single mother of 2 girls. I live here alone with my children. Yes, solo living. So guys, like I was saying, I just decided to look for a very quiet area, very calm area, nature, and just to restart my life, all over again. It's kind of therapeutic. So that's how I moved to this apartment. As you can see, this is a wood apartment. It's 100% wood. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the tour of this apartment. So guys, this is the entrance of the apartment. This is how you get inside, and this is my small living room. This apartment is so small. It's a 2-bedroom apartment, and this is where I watch my stuff, and this is the chair and my decorations and my home, like my home decor, whatever. So this is how the living room looks like. Like I said earlier guys, this apartment is 100% wood. If you can see, it's wood. It's wood, and even the floor, like the floor, they are all made up of wood. This is the first time I'll be living in this kind of apartment in my life, all my life. Even when I was still in Nigeria, when I was living in Kuwait, I have never lived in a wooden apartment before. So 100%, everything here, they are made up of wood. Guys, now let's go to the kitchen. Like, the kitchen is kind of American kitchen, whereby it's attached to the living room. So this is my kitchen, and I have a small oven here. This is the kind of oven I can have because there is no space for me to bring in another oven, So most of the stuff in this apartment are furnished, like all these things. And this is where I cook. And this is my mini, is it chef? Yeah, I think it's chef. This is where my mini chef, where I put in my stuff. This apartment is kind of small, so I cannot really, buy some big stuff. Like, I have to just manage my space. So this is where I keep my stuff, and this is the microwave. And guys, so this is where I have some space down here too, whereby I keep my stuff. So this is how I kind of like the kitchen though, because normally I don't really like my kitchen to be so big. I love a portable kitchen. So, and like I said, it's still wood, So this is how the kitchen looks like. As it is the fridge, so the fridge comes with the apartment. I met the fridge in this apartment. And also, this is my wardrobe where I keep in my clothes and my stuff. As you can see, it's wood, but because I have a lot of stuff, so I had to, like, there's nowhere for me to put in my boxes and this, so I had to just manage my small space. So this is it. Like I said, it's wood. It's still everything it was. This is my jacket, my stuff. So this is how it is. So guys, now come to my room. Ta-da! Oh my god, yes guys, this is my room. Yes, so this is my room guys. This is my bed, like, it's still wood. So this is where I put in my stuff, and it's kind of small though, because normally this apartment was not really built for long time stay. It was kind of vacation apartment. Then later they switched it and started giving it out. So this is how it is, and this is my this is my window here, and you can see nature. Like, oh my god, sometimes waking up early in the morning and just opening this window and just looking at all these trees, the bed, and it's kind of therapeutic. It's therapeutic, like it's like ease, just the sound of nature, the sound of all these birds. So I love the view here. I love the view, guys. So let's go now. Let me go and show you the girls' room. My girls' room. Let's go, guys. Hey guys, this is the girls' room. This is my girls' room. room. So this is their bed. This is for Misha, this is for Rachel. Like I said, it's wood, so this bed is attached. This bed came with this apartment, so it's attached to it. And this is Rachel's bed. Don't mind me, because I like their wardrobe, it's having some problems, so that's why I just had to keep in some clothes here. And I ordered a new wardrobe, but it's not here. It's not yet to be here. So guys, so this is their small table. Everything in this apartment is wood. Like seriously, like everything here, you know, this it's 100% wood. So, and this is my girl's room, and you know, like look at the view. The view is so nice. The view is very nice. And this is their wardrobe, and this is where this is their toy, where I keep in their toys and their books. And that is it about my girl's room. So guys, let's go to the bathroom. and this, so guys, this is it. Yeah. So guys, so this is where we keep in our bin, like, so this is so guys, that's how my apartment looks like. So some few things I love about this village is like it's so quiet, it's so calm. It's not like I said earlier, I've lived in Paris for over, I think I lived in Paris for about 4 years, and everything it's rush. Like if you are in Paris and you want to go to work by, let's say, 8 a.m. in the morning, you'd have leave your house from 6 a.m. because of the bus, because of the traffic, because of the rain. But here in this village, it's so quiet, like guys. And again, transportation is free. Yes guys, like when I first got here, and the first thing that got to my mind is just to go and fill my transportation card, because in Paris you have this transportation card like whereby you have to recharge every month. So I think it's about 80 euros. I can't really remember the actual price now. So when I got here, I was like, okay, fine, let me go and get my transportation card and recharge it. And for the girls, and I heard it was free. I was like, wow, so transportation here, it's free. And also the people of this village are so nice. Like, if they did not know, if you traveled and you did not even tell them, they will they will call you and check upon you. They will even bring you stuff, bring in clothes, bring you food. Oh my God, like I love it. And again, administrative stuff, it's so fast, like, because there are fewer people, there are lesser people. It's not like in Paris. In Paris, if you want to book appointment at the prefecture, you have to book it like 5 or 6 months ahead. But here you can just walk there and check your stuff. The administration is so fast, it's pretty fast. So there are so many, and again, the nature, just look at the calm environment. It's so calm, it's so quiet. Everybody is at peace. So I don't know if I'll be moving back to the city, but for now I enjoy this apartment. So I will also be showing you, like, where I'm staying is kind of outskirts, so I'll be showing you another video of the main town, like how the main town looks like. We have other houses at the main town that is not made of wood, so I will also be showing you some other clips of the video.